What's good, everybody? I got a good recipe for you today. I'm making Cajun shrimp pasta, so let's get right into it. For this recipe, pretty much this is the stuff you're gonna need. It's not that much. You probably have all the stuff at home. Pretty much we got shrimp, we got some white onion, we got some diced peppers, I got some garlic, black pepper, paprika, Cajun seasoning, some garlic powder, oregano, heavy cream, some cheese, some butter, and some mushrooms if you want, salt and pepper, and parsley flakes. So that's pretty much the recipe, and some crushed tomatoes. So I got some fettuccine. It's only going to take you about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. That shouldn't be too hard, so just get a bunch of water boiling, put some salt in it, and then we're going to cook this, get it al dente, and then we're going to use this for our base, right? And then I got some cooked shrimp already. See, I don't have fresh shrimp right now, but I got cooked shrimp that I had left over, so I'm gonna use this. So just let it thaw out overnight in the refrigerator. If you don't have that much time, we'll just put some shrimp in some cold water about for 10 to 15 minutes. So when it comes to a recipe, if you guys can do it better, if you think there's something that you don't like in it, take it out. It doesn't matter. Like, food should be how you like it, how, you know, with your taste buds. If you don't like mushrooms, take it out. If you don't like peppers, you know, take it out, put something else in there. Okay guys, now I got my pan nice and hot. We're gonna add some butter and we're gonna cook our shrimp. Gonna warm it up, we're gonna cook our shrimp. We got our shrimp here that we seasoned earlier. So make sure you try a piece of shrimp just to see the seasoning is on point and everything like that. So this is pretty much done. I'm gonna take this out and then I'm gonna add, we're gonna start with our sauce. Make sure you add a good amount of butter. I'm using, I can't believe it's not butter, just so I can cut down on calories, because I'm not going to add too much oil to this. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil just so I can, the butter doesn't burn when I'm cooking. So now we're just going to add our onions to this. So I'm just going to get these onions nice and translucent. So here's the chopped up garlic I had from earlier that we're going to add garlic to this. Here's some of the peppers that I diced up earlier. And now we're just gonna cook this. Make sure you don't let the garlic burn. Add some more butter if you need to. Add a little bit more oil. You guys are welcome to add more oil than I am, obviously, because I am watching how many calories are in this dish a little bit, because I'm probably gonna end up eating the whole thing. So now I'm gonna add some half and half to this. It's gonna be the base of our sauce. I'm going to turn on the temp to a simmer. Now we're going to season our sauce again. So we're going to add some of the Cajun seasoning. Make sure you get a nice Cajun seasoning in there. We're gonna add a little bit more salt, not too much. Make sure you keep stirring. You don't want to overcook the heavy cream. We're gonna add crushed tomatoes to this. And now we got the best part. We're gonna start adding our cheeses to this. So we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese right now. Cheese with 6 different blends. So it's got mozzarella, provolone, Asiago, Parmesan, Romano, Fontino. So I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of cheese in this. We're just gonna mix this and keep it on a low simmer. Let the cheese infuse with the sauce. Now we're gonna add in our fettuccine noodles. Okay, we're gonna season it one more time, just because I like to make sure everything is seasoned. You can never go wrong with seasoning too much. Just don't add too much salt. Look at this, guys. Look how nice and creamy. Look how nice and creamy our sauce is. So this is the shrimp that we cooked earlier. Look how nice and seasoned that is. There you have it, guys. That is my recipe on this Cajun shrimp pasta. You have to make it. Look at this, man. Ooh, can't wait to eat this. My God, the amount of flavor that's in there. Yo, I could eat this all, oh my God, I probably shouldn't eat this all day.